Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great song from Chris Stapleton. It's called You Should Probably Leave. Of course, it was written by Chris Stapleton, Ashley Gorley, and Chris Dubois. You Should Probably Leave peaked at #1 on the Hot Country Songs charts in 2021. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know to play through this song. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of You Should Probably Leave. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progressions. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Chris Stapleton song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, for the bulk of this song, you're only going to need to know 4 chords. The chorus and the verses are actually quite simple. The challenge in this song falls on the bridge. Chris Stapleton is playing some complicated chords that beginners might have challenges to play. So, as I do from time to time, I simplify a song so beginners can pick it up quite easily and play along. Are these the exact chords in the bridge? No, but they work. So we're going to get to that in just a second. For the bulk of the song, though, the verses and the chorus, I want to show you the 4 chords that you're going to need to know. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an F sharp minor. You're going to need to know an A chord. You're going to need to know a D. And then we're going to round things off with an E. That's it. All right, let's look at how I've changed up slightly the bridge to this song. Okay, the bridge. Now, I find the most challenging part of this song is Chris Stapleton's chord progression in the bridge. He's doing some complicated things that can be a little bit challenging if you're a beginner and you're just starting out. So I found a way to simplify this for beginners. And you could actually use these chords and play along with the original album version. But for the record, for you die-hard Chris Stapleton fans out there, these are not the exact chords that he is using. With that, let's have a closer look. There are 2 standard chords in the bridge. There's a D, and then there's an E minor, or an E major, sorry. We already reviewed those. But I also do 2 power chords in the bridge as well. The first one is the shape of a C sharp. So if you go up to, of course, the 4th fret and you make the shape of a C sharp, what I want you to do is I just want you to lift off that middle finger, and this becomes a power chord. I just want you to strum the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. And that's it. I want you to do the same thing 2 frets down as if you were playing a B minor bar chord. But again, removing the middle finger. So again, power chord on the C, power chord on the B. Now again, it's not exactly what he does and what Chris Stapleton does, but it works for the song, and it's much easier if you're a beginner. When we review this part, you'll have an understanding, a better understanding of what I'm doing.
Probably leave. And it's hard to resist. Alright, just one guess. Then you should probably leave. 'Cause I know you and you know me, and we both know where this is gonna lead. Want me to say that I want you to stay, so you should probably leave. Yeah, you should probably leave. Like the devil on my shoulder, you've been whispering in my ear. It's getting kinda hard for me to do the right thing here. I wanna do the right thing here, baby. Sun on your skin, 6 a.m. and I've been watching you sleep. And I'm so afraid you're gonna wake up and say that I should probably leave. 'Cause I know you and you know me. We both know where this is gonna lead. You want me to say that I want you to stay? Well, you should probably leave. Yeah, you should probably leave.
Okay, for the verses, I do something called palm muting for each verse. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's basically when you use this tissue of your hand, of your strumming hand, and you place it lightly over the chords. It creates a muted sound. Sounds something like this. I only do that for the verses. In the chorus, I strum the chords outright, so we'll have a look at that in just a minute. So, for the verse, starting on the F sharp minor, the verse sounds something like this. And I know it ain't all that late, but you should probably leave. And I recognize that look in your eyes, yeah, you should probably leave. that jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look at it now. All right, starting on the E major chord and no palm muting, the chorus goes something like this. Well, I know you and you know me, and we both know where this is gonna lead. You want me to say that I want you to stay, but you should probably leave. Yeah, you should probably leave. All right, let's jump into that bridge. Okay, a closer look now at this simplified bridge. Again, remember, we're using some power chords here. The bridge that I perform starts, like Chris Stapleton's, on the D major chord and goes something like this. Like the devil on my shoulders, you've been whispering in my ear. It's getting kinda hard for me to do the right thing here. I wanna do the right thing here, baby. And then you jump into the lead guitar solo. Let's have a look at those solos now. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the lead guitar solos that are played throughout the song. We'll start with a look at the intro solo, which coincidentally is played to a certain degree throughout the entire song. And then we'll have a look at that main solo that's played just before the bridge. We're going to show you where the notes are. You may have to watch this particular part of the video several times in order to get it down. But once you have the general idea where the notes are, you just have to work on the rhythm to it and the timing to it. And I know that you'll get her down. This solo starts on the 10th fret of the 2nd string, right here. All right, let's slow this down and show you. The first 3 notes. These are the next 3 notes. Let's start at the beginning. From here, let's slow that down again. Okay, one more time. All right, let's now have a closer look at the solo that's played just as you go into the bridge. All right, starting on the open E, the 6th string, the solo after the bridge goes something like this. Now we're going to slow it down. We're going to show you where the individual notes are. I'll just use one finger to show you where the notes are at. You can review this part of the video several times to get this down. Then you can work on your rhythm and your timing. With that, here we go. Open E. Then I strum a D and an A. The next part of this solo starts on the 4th string of the 4th fret. And then I just play that first part again. And that's it. Again, watch these parts several times, and I know you'll get this rhythm and the timing down. And there you have it, Chris Stapleton's You Should Probably Leave. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.